Once you open the app, you don't need to do anything. All you have to do, put your finger on the digital crown and it will start another check. It's a great day. Today, Apple finally released WatchOS 5.1.2, which we can now get the ECG app. Let's check it out. In September, Apple announced WatchOS 5. In September, Apple announced Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean. In this channel, I review tech, gadgets, games, do unboxing and reviews. If this is the first time you're visiting, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy this content, please remember to smack that like button. Back in September, Apple announced Watch Series 4, and with that, we were all excited to have access to ECG on our wrist, but we did not have access to it until today. They said we were gonna get it before the end of the year, and they delivered. I just had a chance to go ahead, update my WatchOS and iOS. I have not tried it yet. I figured we're gonna go ahead and try it together. Let's check it out.
Placing a finger on the digital crown creates a closed circuit with electrodes on the back, providing data the ECG app uses to analyze your heart rhythm.
Alright guys, so let's go ahead and check it out. I have updated the WatchOS to 5.12 and iOS to 12.1.1. Now, if we go ahead, take a look at the apps, we should have a new app. There we go. To set up ECG, open the Health app on your iPhone. So here's the iPhone. Let's open up the Health app. So set up notification. Four things you should know. Number one, Apple Watch cannot detect heart attacks. Number two, Apple Watch is not constantly looking for AFib. Number three, if you're not feeling well, you should talk to your doctor even if you don't get a notification. Number four, do not change your medication without talking to your doctor. How does the ECG app work? You should know it cannot detect a heart attack, it cannot detect blood clots or a stroke, it cannot detect other heart-related conditions. If you're not feeling well, you should talk to your doctor. Alright, open up the app, rest your arms on a table or in your lap, hold your finger on the digital crown. Alright. So I just finished my first check and instantly transferred the information to the app. I had the sinus rhythm. I can actually export it to a PDF if I need to send it to someone. Once you open the app, you don't need to do anything. All you have to do, put your finger on the digital crown and it will start another check. There is not much to it, so you can open up the app and put your finger on the digital crown and start a new reading, and all that information will be stored in your Health app. So this was it, guys. Hopefully you guys are as excited as I am. Let me know if you had a chance to go ahead and install it on your watch. I will tell you, if you are a beta user or you're a developer and you had the latest 5.1.2 WatchOS or the new beta 12.1.1 iOS on your phone, you may not have had access to it. All you need to do, go ahead, delete your developer profile, and then once you check for an iOS update or WatchOS update, you will get a chance to re-download the new public version, and then with that you have access to the new apps. Thanks for watching.